guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It's been a minute. I feel like I'm always saying the same thing when I come on here because I'm always taking breaks. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you see me all the time, but on YouTube, it's kind of like my, I don't even know what to call it. It's just one of those that I just feels more like, it feels like more pressure to film for YouTube for some reason. I think I just take it too serious probably because it's not that deep, but anyways, we are back and as you guys can tell, maybe I've moved again, but that's a story for another day. I'm still not 100% like set in the apartment. I'm still getting a few things that I need. I was gonna do like a whole vlog and like a series of me moving, but it's been like chaotic for me. I've been trying to brush, don't know why. I did do like a mini series on my TikTok and Instagram, so if you want to see that, you can go check them out. Once I'm ready with everything that I kind of want to have, of course I'll do another tour. It shouldn't take too long because like I said, I'm pretty much done. But in the meantime, we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna start vlogging more. I feel like for YouTube, I just like to just do my thing. I just like to vlog for you guys. Obviously you guys love the fashion content, but I'm trying to, I feel like I'm gonna keep that more so on like short form videos. I might sprinkle here and there like a long form YouTube video fashion related, but for the most part I feel like the reason why I'm always kind of like on and off is because I prefer to just vlog and just kind of live my life and like, you know, just show you that side of me where I'm actually talking to you and I'm sharing things with you, do just normal life things. I hope you guys are okay with that and you know, still want to watch and join me so we can just hang and like we get to know each other better. Well, you get to know me better, I guess. Yeah, that was my little spiel. But anywho, I got new pots yesterday. I just ordered a set from like Amazon. They're in Target, everywhere. I just ordered from Amazon because I didn't want to go to the store. I'm going to try that out today because I'm going to make some food. I also want to go to Trader Joe's to get some wine and to get some flowers, fresh flowers for the apartment, because I have an empty vase in the middle. Anyways, I'm just talking too much, maybe because I'm hungry. All right, we're gonna make some pancakes because I've been sitting on the couch editing some videos and I haven't eaten anything, and it's 1:50. So I'm gonna try this I'm gonna add more stuff to spice it up because why not? Cinnamon. I should probably do it without anything just so I can see how they taste by themselves, but nah. And some vanilla extract. So important. Let's see. Okay, that's a little bit better. All right, so we finished. These two came out decent. This one came out a little burnt, but we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna make some eggs and bacon just because I wanted to tie it all together. Pretty good. All right, so we're gonna make food now. I'm making some asopao. It's like a rice soup. Yeah, that's the best way to describe it. My camera died, but here it is. It's coming along. Hey guys. So yesterday we didn't really talk that much because I made the food, even though I think I showed you guys and it tastes better than it looked for sure. But it was good, everybody came and that was that. So I'm dragging this vlog out until today because again, yesterday we didn't talk that much. So I have some things to do. I'm getting ready to go. I'm using this puffer bag from Amazon. I'm just gonna put my stuff in here because I want to take my iPad, some gum, my wallet, and then I have like a bag of all of my things. So I just have to take this little bag and put it in wherever I want it to. It's like a mesh bag. It came in a pack of 3 from Amazon. And I use the biggest one for all my junk. Take my hair clip, put it here, and my headphones. Put it around here. Water bottle. So I'm going to the doctor for my pap smear. Then I have to go to the post office. I have to go to UPS. Alexa, kitchen lights off. My toxic trait is that I always leave the house with a bunch of stuff in my hands. Hi. So I'm back home. I look different. Put on a t-shirt and some shorts, maybe just for the day. I cleaned up a little bit because I left some stuff in the sink. I've just been not in my routine, but I wanted to give you guys like a little quick walkthrough of the apartment. Obviously, I'm gonna do like a full tour once I have things settled. Why am I out of breath? Okay, let me show you guys. This is the entrance. I have this little mirror here that I had in the old apartment. When you walk in, this is what you see. I got some new bar stools from Target. The kitchen's very large. The island is like huge. I have a lot of storage down there. So that's pretty good. Here is the living room. I have this new sofa from City Furniture. Super comfortable and it's deep. I have my paintings here from the old apartment. I'm gonna hang those up right here. My mirror here and the TV and stuff. So that's what it's looking like. There's a little linen closet in there. Over here is the bedroom. Let me turn on the light. This light here, don't talk about it because it's dingy, but here's my olive tree. I have my little desk area here now. And I got this chair from Amazon, super comfortable, but I haven't really gotten to use it that much because I have not sat here like maybe like once and like not for that long. I was gonna do something tonight, but I'd rather just be on my laptop on the couch. But I have that painting that I have to put up on the bed and just my same bed that I had and nightstands, etc. And then through here, we have pocket doors and this is the bathroom. I have these paintings to put up right here, just kind of give it a little, you know, more flair, but it might just stay like this, just chill. Again, a lot of like space down here. And then we have a tub here. I would have preferred to have a shower because going in here, it feels slippery and I feel like it's kind of dangerous, but that's what we have. And then through here, it's just the closet. We're not gonna go do a whole rundown of that. So that's it. That's pretty much the apartment. So again, once I finish putting things up and getting a few little things, I'm going to do like a full tour. Okay, we're on the couch. All right, I'm up to my budget and I'm gonna be watching The Good Doctor. Hey guys, it's like almost 1 o'clock. I was updating my budget like I told you. And I started browsing for furniture or like a few things I needed for the kitchen. I kind of want to change my utensils that I got because I don't really love those. I got like this Amazon set that's black and like silver. It just has a bunch of like utensils and I don't need all of those. I kind of want to get a different color anyways. I'm exhausted. I'm going to wrap my hair and I'm going to go to bed. So this is me signing off. Thank you guys for joining me in today's today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed seeing me again and spending time. We didn't really do much, but I just wanted to kind of catch you guys up on life. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next one.